Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay February 19, 2024 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong February 19, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong February 19, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for February 19, 2024, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 52.5 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 67.5 million pesos for February 19, 2024, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of February 19, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.